There's a brand new AI app on the market right now, and it's sending the entire cryptocurrency market into panic. What is up, guys? My name is Lamar from Raw Asset Watchlist. In today's video, we've got a lot to cover. Now, happy Monday. What a start to the week it has been. US stocks plunge over China's AI threat. If you have been living under a rock for the past maybe 4 to 6 hours, you guys wouldn't have seen that DeepSeek is now the #1 app on the App Store. The US stock markets have plunged at their sharpest pace in 5 months after a China AI startup unveiled a new chatbot. People are saying this threatens to match its major global competitors, but at a much lower cost. Now, I've got a short clip for all of you guys to listen to. Check this out.
It's mind-blowing, and it is shaking this entire industry to its core. The emergence of DeepSeek now putting pressure on the U.S. tech names. We told you all about it last week in Davos. The buzz started growing about DeepSeek's latest AI model being more efficient while running on a lot less advanced NVIDIA chips. Released last week, it's already being called what is a major breakthrough as the app shows its work, its reasoning. It answers users' prompts. I, by the way, was spent basically all weekend playing with it. It is the #1 app, I believe, on Apple right now. The product overtaking ChatGPT today as that on the App Store that way. DeepSeek, which was created by a Chinese hedge fund manager, also capturing the attention of leaders, as we mentioned at the World Economic Forum last week in Davos.
We should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
What we found is that DeepSeek, which is the leading Chinese AI lab, their model is actually the top performing, or roughly on par with the best American models.
If the United States can't lead in this technology, we're going to be in a very bad place geopolitically.
Now, you can take a look right now at the AI-related stocks. So NVIDIA, ARM, AMD, Microsoft, Meta, interestingly, on that.
Now, when you go and check this out, you can check it out on the apps, or you can go to deepseek.com. Start now for free, or get the DeepSeek app. Now, I want to say before we do ape into anything, be careful putting your information into brand new apps, guys. And to be honest, even if you do try to create a DeepSeek account right now, you're going to run into this problem. DeepSeek is down. We can't create any accounts now, and I imagine it is due to the influx of new people trying to come in and use this app. Now, I've got another short clip for all of you guys to listen to. Now, you're going to see that DeepSeek are claiming that they can actually create this app with a fraction of the NVIDIA chips that other AI LLMs are claiming they need. However, is that possible?
You know, the Chinese labs, they have more H100s than people think. You know,
and these are the highest powered NVIDIA chips that they were not supposed to have.
Yes. My understanding is that DeepSeek has about 50,000 H100s, which they can't talk about, obviously, because it is against the export controls that the United States has put in place. And I think it is true that, you know, I think they have more chips than other people expect, but also on a go-forward basis, they are going to be limited by the chip controls and the export controls that we have in place.
Now, the market always likes to explain a reason for every single price move. Was this the reason? Well, just in 920 billion liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours. That is absolutely insane. However, there was a lot of leverage that needed to be liquidated at around the 98 to 99k region. When we come to the Binance liquidation heat map, you can see here that now the liquidity is above our heads. So it actually was a good thing that we did come down and sweep the lower liquidity first. This is a 24-hour chart. The liquidity is now piling up at around 102 all the way to nearly 104k. We've taken the shorts out, and what happens when we do start to crash down to these levels? People start to panic short. Okay, this is not the time to be panic shorting. We need to be finding what top coins we can DCA into the market at a super discount. And we're going to go check out some of our RWA coins that are at a mega discount right now. But some of you guys are going to be panicking. You're going to think, is the top in? Before you do start to panic sell your bags, what you can do is you can check where the majority of the money is right now. And a lot of it, unfortunately or fortunately, is in the spot ETFs, guys. Now, when you go back, this is the all-time chart for the spot ETF. You've got all the inflows in green, all the outflows in red. Look at that, guys. Very much one-sided right now. And I do believe that when we are at the top, approaching a top, or we have topped, you're going to see this completely flip, and the majority of the flows are going to be outflows, represented in these red bars here. You can see that the majority of the money is staying in Bitcoin right now, and people aren't really selling, guys. Now, it's presented an amazing opportunity for our top RWA coins. Some coins that we covered in the previous video are now in our buy zones and at a mega discount. So again, if you don't want to miss any of these opportunities, you have to be subscribed. You have to stay till the end. You have to watch every single video, guys, and comment what your favorite RWA coin is right now. Chainlink looking fantastic. AVAX looking fantastic. HBAR at a discount right now, down 13% for the day. Ondo, $1.31. It is looking pretty good. Now, it is very easy for us to be super zoomed in to the short-term time frames, and by short-term I mean anything below the weekly. Yes, the daily is still a short-term time frame. When we check out the weekly, you're going to see that we've respected this 100 MA pretty well over the past year, and we still have a little bit of room to the downside, guys. So if ETH does decide it wants to continue down for the rest of this week leading into Feb, there's a potential move of 13% to the downside, but I can imagine this would be met with strong buy pressure. So even if we do tackle this 2.7k, it may be a wick to the upside. So what I would do is I would start to place buy orders around this zone. That's going to be for ETH, and that is going to be for some of our altcoins as well, all the ETH-based altcoins. I think we'll see a significant bounce at around 2.8 to 2.6-ish K. Now, in the last video, we checked out Chainlink, and I gave you a brand new accumulation zone, which we are in now. And guess what? We're coming down to that $20. You can see here we're already wicking, which means there's a lot of buy pressure in the market right now, and people don't want to be giving up their Chainlink for cheap. You guys already know that we have price targets much higher, and just at an all-time high, it's going to be $53, which is over a 100% move. To be exact, guys, for Chainlink to reach its all-time high, which I do believe it will do in this cycle, 121% move before price discovery. And what happens when we're in price discovery? We go very high very quickly. If we take our trusty fibs from the previous high to the bear market low, you're going to see the 1618 target is going to be $82, a 400% move. A blow off top brings us all the way to $200, which I do think could be very achievable for Chainlink in this run. Ondo has now had a successful retest of the breakout, and it's also found support at the 100 MA. What did we say in the last video? Who was here? Let me know. We said we have extreme levels of support for Ondo at 1, this blue line, the 100 MA, 2, the previous breakout, which is going to be $1.28, and then the retest of this breakout as well, with the key zone that we need to get through being this green zone here. And you can see here we've wicked quite sharply off. However, once we do have a change of character in the chart for Ondo between $1.60 and $1.70, it is going to be go time for Ondo. So I'll be placing pretty high bids at around this level. You come to coins like VeChain, which are at a 50% discount from the highs. You're not going to be able to get these bear market lows that we were getting in 2023 into 2024. However, what is the next best thing, guys? You already know what I'm going to say. Try and buy the 100 MA, which we are at now. Now, when you are buying these levels, it is going to be max fear. You're going to see a lot of fear-baiting articles come out for crypto as a whole, and then altcoins even worse. However, this is where the money is made. And you can see every single time we've touched this 100 MA, as of December 2024, there has been wicks and there has been buy pressure coming. And that does indicate to me that the price really doesn't want to be going below 4 cents. If it does, we can target 3.1 cents and 2.5 cents for VeChain. And even if you want to invest in the base ecosystem, what is the top base coin? Aerodrome Finance. It is looking amazing. If you go to the macro, we're at number 1, a macro support. Number 2, a key breakout support. Number 3, the bottom of a falling wedge. The market is presenting amazing opportunities for all of you guys to take advantage of right now. Aerodrome is another one on the real world asset watch list that we will, and I will personally, be picking up today. Anywhere between 90 cents to 79 cents is an absolute steal. There are many more coins on the real world asset watch list that we do cover. Make sure you are following our X. Guys, let us know what coin you want us to cover in the next video. Are you fearful about the DeepSeek FUD? Is it a black swan event? All comments are welcome. Let us know. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any more content. I've been Lamar from the Real Asset Watch List. I'm going to see you in the next one.